Women feel intense attraction toward men who take away certain things they thought they controlled. Maybe you've tried compliments, giving her all your attention, even spending a lot on dates, only to watch her interest fade. Frustrating, right? That's because attraction doesn't grow just by giving more. It spikes when you take the right things away, the ones that disrupt her usual sense of control. In this video, I'll show you 6 of them, and the last one explains why some women can't stop thinking about you. If you're new here, welcome. We post daily tips to help men succeed in dating. Hit like if you're ready to improve, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. 1. Steal her focus from herself. Most women are in their own heads. Do I look okay? Am I saying the right thing? What does he think of me? The man who shifts her attention away from herself, who makes her forget her lipstick, her posture, her image, disrupts her defenses. Suddenly, she's not monitoring how she comes across, she's absorbed in you. That switch feels risky to her ego but thrilling to her body. 2. Steal her words. Notice how sexual tension spikes when she's momentarily speechless. A bold, teasing, perfectly timed remark can leave her tongue-tied. You've disarmed her with silence, taking away the language she uses to stay in control. That pause, that loss of verbal footing, is deeply erotic. 3. Steal her good girl mask. Society teaches women to be polite, composed, approachable. But every woman has a wilder side she rarely shows. The man who teases it out, a lingering look, a subtle tone that says, "I see what's underneath," strips away the role she plays for the world. In that moment, she's no longer the coworker, the student, the sweet neighbor. She's raw, untamed, electric. 4. Steal the balance of power. Here's where things get irresistible. Most men hand over all control by chasing or overperforming. But when you momentarily take that power back, pulling her into a kiss mid-sentence, pausing to look at her like a decision you haven't made yet, telling her wait instead of please, it flips the script. That sudden shift is sexy because it gives her the relief of not having to hold the reins for once. 5. Steal her sense of time. Sexuality isn't just physical, it's how you change her experience of the moment. A kiss that lingers past what she expected, eye contact that stretches seconds into something heavier. You slow everything down. You've taken away the normal pace, pulled her into your rhythm. And once she senses you can control time, she imagines you can control her pleasure too. 6. Steal her ability to keep you just a friend. This is where most men never go. Women like having safe, platonic guys in orbit. But when you cross a line she didn't expect, a hug that lasts a beat too long, a hand that stays at her hip, a whisper that isn't platonic, you break the friendbox walls. That disruption is intoxicating. It forces her to ask, "Do I want him?" That shake-up is risky, but risk is the foundation of desire. Next, find out how to tell if she wants intimacy, or learn what to do if she's ignoring you. Thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe for more.